Hello everyone, this is Dr. J. Simon, Assistant Professor, Department of MCA, Bishop Upper College, Trichy. Introduction to Python. The Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. Python works on different platforms like Windows, Linux, and Raspberry Pi. Python has a simple syntax. It runs on interpreter system. The Python has support a procedural style and object-oriented programming style. The Python has a various features like a high-level programming language, open source programming, dynamic programming, and also it support a portable concepts, integrated language similar to Perl and Ruby. It also supported graphical user interface. Why Python? The Python is based on components. It is based on object-oriented programming language style. It also support objects. When you go for objects, that is a reusable. It support a reusable. Python applications. Python support a various applications like a web application, enterprises applications, image processing application, mathematical applications, data science applications, and IoT applications. So when you go for develop a Python program by using a IDL, integrated learning environment, it is support a cross platform. It consists of two main windows. One is a cell window, another thing is a editor window. The Python has two modes of operations. One is a interactive mode, another thing is a script mode. The interactive mode is execute a single command. The script mode is used to execute multiple statements. When you go for do the Python program without input output statements, when you get the input from the keyboard by using a input function, we want to print the values by using a print statement. Here example for how write a Python program by using a print statement. Execution of the Python program. When you go for execute the Python program, we have to do that command prompt. The command prompt is used to execute single command like mathematical operations, print operations, and also simple calculation can be performed by using a command prompt. Next one is how assign the variables in the Python. You have to define a variable name, then assignment operator, then you have to assign the value. Here height is a variable, then equal is a assignment operator. The value will be assigned the particular variable. Here 20 is a value that will be assigned the variable like a width. The exit function is used to exit the command prompt. So how make a various statements, number of statements in our Python program by using a script. Here we have to assign a variables, then we want to perform a simple interest by using a formula. Then the statement will be save the Python file extension .py and run the program. It will be get a output. So another thing is how perform a mathematical operations. Here 6 power of 2 plus 6, it will be get a answer 42. Then also how find the variable types by using a type of value. It will be get a value of type. And also another thing is a type of 42.0. It will be printed what type of the particular value. Thank you all.